Hello, and welcome to day 24 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we're going to explore how to display key global facts for any area. These key global facts are the total population, total number of households, average household size, total number of males, and total number of females within a default search radius of 1 mile. In our code, we'll start with the day 1 code. Then, we'll go ahead and bring in the ArcGIS, REST.js request and demographics libraries from CDN to use the GeoEnrichment service. Now, in the JavaScript, I'll need to create an authentication variable to access the service. I'll next create an event listener for map clicks that will call a function to query the demographic global data around the clicked point. Now, in the getDemographic function, I'll use the ArcGIS, REST.js query demographic data method to request the demographic information by providing the clicked study area point and the required authentication. I'll then make sure to take this response and console log the feature set features attributes, which contains my key global facts. I'll go ahead and open this up in the browser to test it out. I'll open the console and click anywhere on the map to see my key global facts. For today's challenge, I encourage you to take this console logged information and bring it to life by displaying it in a pop-up on the map. This will create for a clearer and user-friendly application. And that's it for day 24. Join us tomorrow for our final day, day 25, where we will dive into accessing local data, such as spending trends for the United States, with the GeoEnrichment service. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.